welcome back in my channel, and today I am going to introduce iPhone 12, not this. iPhone 12 is the best phones of the Apple products, and one special thing, it has transparent Apple logo, not like this. It has 6000 mAh battery. Think how it is. It has modulator battery, okay? And it is available in 4 special colors. It has camera in verticals like iPhone XS. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you like my videos. And if you like this, please give me a thumb and share it with your friends and comment me how it is. And guys, see you next one. Have a good day.